Qricket is a free mobile app that has live game shows that you can play anywhere and win real cash. This app is available for iOS and Android devices. The game is quick and fun, and best of all, it allows you to make money at the same time. Qricket presents 5 live game shows a day, every day, Monday through Friday. The Qricket host explains the rules of the games as you move along and walks you through as you register to play. It is as simple as making a color selection between blue and gold. The host spins the wheel about 10 times in a given game, and you earn points based on what the color the wheel lands on. Also, both the colors have emojis on them with messages such as there is a ×2 emojis, a 0 emoji, lose the points emoji, and so on. So the color as well as the emoji on it determines the points you earn. The very good thing about this game is that even if you lose or leave the game in between, you still get some money added directly into your account. So everyone that registered and joined the game to play is a winner. In order to download this app, simply go to your App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for the word Qricket. Then download the app on your device. It will ask you for a referral code to enter. So if you would please use mine, my referral code is 858BFD. I would greatly appreciate it, and you would get about 25 free spin codes. In order to register for one game, you require 5 spins. So 25 spin codes can get you registered for 5 games right away. You'll need a minimum of $25 to redeem the cash that you earn from playing the games. All the payments are made to PayPal only, and if you don't have a PayPal account or can't get one, then contact the Qricket team for assistance. This is by far the best money-making app for those short on time. Basically, Qricket awards you cash for playing a quick and easy game. Sign up for free and please use my referral code. It is 858BFD, and you can also see it on the screen here. Join the daily live shows with the Qricket family, spin the wheel, and earn free cash. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this, and stay tuned to my channel. And thank you very much for watching, friends.